they occurs covalent bonding between the fibrin monomer molecules as well as multiple cross linkages occur between the fibrin fibers. पहले वो linear होते हैं fibrin fibers, then जो fibrin stabilizing factor है वो cross linkages कर देता है, तो वो clot जो है वो फॉर्म हो जाता है. उसके बाद देयर इज आल्सो कंट्रैक्शन, तो उससे वो और कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ द क्लॉट, तो वो और ज़्यादा जो है इसको क्लॉट को स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है उससे. नाउ लेट्स सी ब्लड क्लॉट जो है, अब वंस इट इज फॉर्म उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए ब्लड क्लॉट. ब्लड क्लॉट जो है जो फॉर्म हुआ है, सबसे पहले वहाँ पे प्लेटलेट प्लग बना, प्लेटलेट प्लग के बाद जो है वो ब्लड क्लॉट बना, फिब्रिन में कन्वर्ट हुई, पहले फिब्रिन मोनोमर बने, फिर फिब्रिन थ्रेड्स बने, फिब्रिन थ्रेड्स पहले लीनियर थे, फिर उनकी क्रॉस मैचिंग हुई, एंड आफ्टर द क्रॉस मैचिंग द क्लॉट बिकम्स फॉर्म एंड विच इज composed of a meshwork of fibrin fibers. Blood clot is composed of a meshwork of fibrin fibers, and in these fibrin fibers there are blood cells, वो RBCs भी हो सकते हैं, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. Plasma is also entrapped in the blood clot, and all of these are coagulated in the coagulated form. The fibrin fibers also adhere to damaged surfaces of the blood vessels. So the fibrin fibers are attached to the ends of the blood vessels, and so the area of the hole which is of the ruptured vessel, it is covered by the fibrin fibers and the clot, in which there are all these things like blood cells, the platelets, and also the clotted plasma, etc., so that the hole is plugged. Once the clot is formed, after a few minutes there is retraction of the clot occurs. Clot retracts and it brings the edges of the ruptured vessels closer, so that the clot, the hole is closed. And in the process of clot retraction, most of the fluid is expressed out from the clot. पहले वो नरम है, उसके अंदर फ्लूइड है क्लॉट के अंदर, फिर वो फ्लूइड बाहर आ जाएगा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में. एंड दिस क्लॉट रिट्रैक्शन occurs within 20 to 60 minutes. It begins within a few minutes and it is completed within 20 to 60 minutes, and in this process most of the fluid comes out of the clot, and clot becomes solid, it becomes firm. What are the factors which are responsible for the retraction of the clot? These are, number one are the platelets, because platelets have contractile proteins which we have discussed, and also thrombin, which is produced as a result of the activation of prothrombin. कौन बनाता है? Prothrombin activator converts prothrombin into thrombin. So both of these, platelets and thrombin, are responsible for clot retraction. कैसे platelets clot retraction करवाते हैं? The platelets become attached to the fibrin fibers and actually bond different fibers together. तो फिब्रिन फाइबर्स जो हैं उनको बॉन्ड कर देते हैं ताकि प्लेटलेट्स जो हैं, एंड दे आर आल्सो present in the clot, and they are present in the fibrin fibers, and they are bonding the different fibrin fibers together. तो ये एक बॉन्ड के तौर पे इस्तेमाल होते हैं. इसके अंदर दो मुख्तलिफ fibrin fibers को मिलाता है आपस में. And these platelets also release procoagulant substances. कौन सा? Fibrin stabilizing factor is a clotting factor which is released from the platelets. And also there are contractile proteins in the platelets. कौन सी हैं? प्लेटलेट थ्रोम्बोस्थिनिन है, एक्टिन और मायोसिन. एक्टिन मायोसिन filaments, you are all aware कि contractile proteins है, and a very important protein which is contractile in nature is thrombosthenin, and all these proteins are present in the platelets, and these proteins causes the platelets to contract, and when these platelets contract, they bring the fibers together, and it results in the retraction of the clot. So these proteins cause strong contraction of the platelet spicules attached to the fibrin. Also, the contraction is activated besides the platelets. They are activated by thrombin and calcium ions. Thrombin also helps in the contraction of the clot. Again, calcium ions are released from the platelets. And platelets, there are mitochondria, there are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, all these are present in the platelets, and calcium ions are released from the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus of the platelets, and calcium ions are also responsible for the contraction of the clot. As you must have studied that calcium ions have a role in muscle contraction, in smooth muscle contraction, in skeletal muscle contraction, cardiac muscle contraction. Here also calcium plays a role in the contraction of the clot. So this is all about the clot, how the clot is formed and then clot retracts. Then what is the fate of the clot? Once a blood clot has started to develop, it continues to grow until the blood leakage ceases. मुसलसल बढ़ता रहता है यहाँ तक कि वो तमाम का तमाम एरिया जो है वो उसके अंदर क्लॉट भर जाए, ताकि ब्लड लीकेज जो है वो खत्म हो जाए. तो जब तक क्लॉट जो है बढ़ता रहता है, और ये एक पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म है दैट वंस क्लॉट इज फॉर्म्ड देन मोर एंड मोर of the clotting factors are recruited, more and more of the platelets are recruited, and more of the calcium ions are recruited, so that the process is enhanced. Process जो है वो तेजी से फैलना शुरू हो जाता है, जहाँ तक कि whole of the whole is sealed. Of the hole in the blood vessel is sealed. Now, what is the role of thrombin in positive feedback of clot formation? Please, आप अपने mics को ना बंद कर दें. Please turn off your mics. शोर आ रहा है. Please turn off your mics. I request you, please turn off your mics. अपने mic बंद कर दें. देखिए, अपने mic बंद कर दें. Disturbance हो रही है. So the thrombin, which is formed as a result of prothrombin activator, from prothrombin, it also activates prothrombin. Prothrombin activator एक तो prothrombin को thrombin में convert करता है, उसके अलावा thrombin which is formed, it also causes it also activates the prothrombin, and more of the thrombin is formed. So this is our positive feedback reaction. So thrombin also act as a positive feedback factor for the formation of the clot, and thrombin also activates fibrinogen, as we have just seen. Fibrinogen को भी activate करता है, and also a number of factors are activated by thrombin, like factor 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So factor 8 to 12 all are activated from thrombin. And all these factors, remember, they are responsible for the formation of prothrombin activator. So once thrombin is formed, it will causes more of its formation through the formation of the prothrombin activator and through activation of prothrombin, etc. And thrombin also causes aggregation of platelets. So aggregation of platelets, as you know, is a very, very important sign of the formation of the platelet plug, and platelet plug is a factor for hemostasis. So thrombin जो है वो platelet की aggregation में भी help करता है. तो ये था कि कैसे क्लॉट बनता है. क्लॉट जो है उसके बनता है और उसके बाद वो रिट्रैक्ट होता है, वो होल को बंद कर देता है. तो ये था हीमोस्टेसिस के बारे में. अब नॉर्मली हमारे ब्लड में अंदर क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स भी हैं और दूसरे एंटी क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स भी हैं. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ ब्लड क्लॉटिंग इन नॉर्मल ब्लड सिस्टम. इट इज नीडेड कि क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स आर नॉट एक्टिवेटेड इन द नॉर्मल लाइफ, otherwise there will be clot formation in the blood and it will block the many of the blood vessels, and there will be a hindrance in the flow, normal blood flow, and it will not be compatible with life. So there is prevention of blood clotting in the normal vascular system. All these clotting factors are present in the blood in an inactive form.